Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01476 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in to SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. So I am going to create one table called mux table. So max physics next total. Okay, so I am adding these two columns, max plus physics. Enter, that's it. So I created a table called mux table with the three columns, and total column is a virtual column which is a sum of max plus physics. Okay, now I am insert some values to the mux table. Okay, select star from mux. You can see that one record is inserted and total is calculated. Okay, now select total divided by 0, okay, as average, okay, from marks. So you can see that ORA-01476 divisor is equal to 0, error is thrown, which means that instead of total divided by 2, I have typed total divided by 0, which is causes this divisor is equal to 0 error. So I am fixing this now. So check your SQL or PLSQL code whether you have any divisor is equal to 0 error, and you can fix this error like this. Okay.